What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Canon-XXL as a power bank. Now you can also use the Canon-XXL to charge other devices like your smartphone or tablet. Now if we look again at the bottom of the speaker, you'll also see there's a USB input, so we can use this to connect USB thumb drives to play music from that source, and you can also use this USB input to connect a power cable for your smartphone or tablet, so you can use the speaker to charge your devices. So I can take my charger and plug the USB end into the USB port here, then plug the other end into my smartphone, and you'll see now that it's beginning to charge. Now one thing I do want to point out is while you have your device connected through the USB port, you won't be able to play music from that device while it's charging. However, you can have your device connected to the speaker through Bluetooth and have it charging at the same time. So if you do want to play music from your phone while it's charging, all you have to do is connect your phone to the speaker through Bluetooth. So speaking of which, let me show you how to connect your smartphone or tablet to the speaker through Bluetooth. Like I mentioned, the speaker is automatically going to be set to Bluetooth mode, so we don't have to do anything on the speaker itself. So all we have to do is go into the Bluetooth settings of our smartphone or tablet, search for the device that reads Canon-XXL, and click on it to pair. And you'll hear that sound letting you know your device is connected. Now while your device is connected, you can either use the plus and minus buttons to control the volume for the speaker, and you can also use the volume notches on your device. So now I can play some music from my device and hear how it sounds. Okay, so now we got some music playing. Sounds really good. And like I mentioned, we also have the EQ modes available, so I can use the mode button here to switch between the different presets. So I'm going to switch it right now.
Flat.
Okay, so this is the flat EQ we're listening to now. And if I want to switch it, I can just press this button again.
Rock.
This is the rock EQ. And now let's move on to the last one.
Outdoor.
Here's the outdoor. Yeah, sounds really cool. Now there's also other ways we can play music through the Canon-XXL, including the aux input here, which we can use with the included aux cable. So you can plug one end into any device that you want to play music from, then connect the other end into the aux input. You'll notice as soon as you plug in your aux cable that this speaker will automatically go into aux mode to play music from that source. The same thing will happen if you connect a USB thumb drive to play music from the USB input here, or if you connect an SD card to play music through the SD input. So no matter which input you use, the speaker will automatically know which source to use, so you don't have to press any buttons in order to switch between the different inputs. So hopefully this showed you guys how to use the Canon-XXL as a power bank, but of course if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.